how you can monetize your Instagram account. Now before we start, make sure that you've upgraded Instagram to its latest update. To do that, go to your app store and search for Instagram, and if you have an update option available, tap on it and wait for some time. Now after you updated it, just open up your Instagram. After you do that, go to your profile, and after you're there, tap on the top right and you will go to settings and privacy. Now what you'll need to do is scroll down all the way and just find for professionals section. There you will see account types and tool. Tap on it, and now what you'll need to do is you'll need to switch your account to professional. Now tap on it and just go along with this process. Now you can just select any one that describes you best, and after you've done that, tap on business or creator, it's up to you. And after you've done that, you will have set up your professional account. You will need to go through these many steps first. Now you can go through those steps some other time too. And after you've changed your account to professional, you will get the professional dashboard right there. Now what you'll need to do is tap on this again on the top right, and after you've done that, scroll down and you will see for professionals section. Tap on creator tools and control, and after you've done that, you will see that you have payments and many more options available now. Now if you just go to monetization status, you can see that now you are able to monetize. This means that you're currently following all the policies and guidelines related to your monetization tools. Now you can check the policies too, and after you've done that, you can go to add payments. Now just tap on payment method. Now this might be different, this might not work for everybody. It depends on what country you are on, and after you've done all those, you will have monetized your Instagram account. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you monetize your Insta account. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.